Seleme. Let me show you what I got in the fridge, bro. So we got empty this year because there's no space in my cupboard. I took it from that from shop. We got mixed meat. Dark spice yellow. That's how it is. It's like the oil or whatever. We got bread. We got 5 eggs left. We got a bullshit. The things my mum gave me when I was coming here. Plus the ketchup. Don't forget the ketchup. Never. And I bought burger sauce. I bought this not so long ago. Needed this. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Let me type my order if I do order. Then we got the lemons. Half in one. Because that's all that's remaining. Shit. And then we got some ginger my ninja. Then what's that? We got green bananas. You know about green bananas? Can't lie, I need to cook them soon because they are getting over, do you know what I mean? Especially this one here. Getting overdone now. But we got green bananas. And then we got frozen beans and frozen chicken breast. Not chicken breast, actually. It's boneless chicken. But yeah, anyway. That's what I've got in my fridge. That's a good one.